Sergeant Michi Perez. Go ahead.
Your Honor, mag-affidavit po ako ng bago.
So mag-affidavit ka ng bagong magsasabi ka ng bagong affidavit. And why? Anong mali sa ginawa ninyo? Anong mali sa ginawa ninyo, Michi?
Donation, sir.
So in other words, yung bigay mo ng pera at yung nakuha mong basura, hindi totoo yun. Kumbaga, pagdalbas mo, nabaril mo na agad yung tao. Wala yung 38, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Since we got the new information about the incident that happened sa San Juan, we will be asking the Provincial Director Malinaw and also Regional Director Lucas to look into the new information that was given by the four personalities. The five personalities, namely Sergeant Jefferson Trinidad, Corporal La Rosa, Sergeant Carandang, Carpio, Patrolman Carpio, and Corporal De Chavez. So, before the committee will take action on recommending on the regional director and also to the provincial director the change of charging these people as an accused, we have to see the affidavit of these people as well. Before we suspend the hearing, Sergeant Michi Perez and Sergeant Juan Macaraig have asked us them to be heard as well on the executive session. But unfortunately, we have to go back to the hearing. So, what's the pleasure of the body with regards to the request of the two PNP personnel?
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Barbers.
Mr. Chairman, both Perez and Macaregas manifested their intent to say something before the executive meeting. Since we were not able to accommodate them, maybe at this point, Mr. Chair, maybe we can allow them to share with us, share with the committee what they intend to say or perhaps report to the committee in today's hearing, Mr. Chair. Yeah.
As a matter of fact, the executive session that we have conducted for intended purposes of that session was actually a chance that this committee has given to those PNP officers, considering that we have so much evidences and we felt that these people are not really involved on the said incident. But nevertheless, we will be weighing our decision primarily on the decision of the 2/3 of the vote of the members of this committee. While we are in the discussion of the issue regarding Sergeant Michel Perez and Sergeant Juan Macaraig, so we will be giving you a chance to speak on this hearing. So siguro si Sergeant Macaraig muna, being the leader of the operation, you want to say something. So I think this will not entail the security of the nation. So yes, so kanina naman kasi it's not really an executive session. It's more of a of trying to give this young police officials that nararamdaman namin na kawawa din naman eh. Kasi like for example, a while ago we were discussing yung Southern Police District where we conducted also the yung mga kasamahan natin mga PNP that have changed their affidavits. Naging suspension na lang sila and we're not dismissed from the structure of the organization. So siguro Sergeant Makaraig, you have the floor. Louder, please.
Executive session, sir. Sir.
Kasi nga yung ano na kasi inabot na tayo ng almost 1 hour and we have still one more issue to tackle and we are only allowed to stay here until 3:30. So we cannot accommodate the executive session anymore. As a matter of fact, ang dami na nag-aantay dyan. So, Sergeant Macaraig, ikwento mo na lang kung ano yung talaga nalalaman mo.
Sa executive session na po sana po, Your Honor.
Chairman,
Yes, Congressman Paduano.
anyway, Chairman has ruled that executive session with regards to Macaraig and Perez is not anymore doable out of this time. Ganun lang po. Kasi we have new stories coming from the fore. So, eto, immediate lang po. Do you want to have Perez and Macaraig? Do you want to state your story? And with that story, do you want to execute a different affidavit or a new affidavit?
Speak louder, Sergeant Michi Perez. Go ahead.
Your Honor, mag-affidavit po ako ng bago, sir.
So mag-affidavit ka ng bagong magsasabi ka ng panibagong affidavit. And why? Anong mali sa ginawa ninyo? Anong mali doon sa ginawa ninyo, Michi?
Sir, dun sa lapses, sir, namin sa operation.
Ano yung mga lapses?
Sir, sa statement, pre-ops, coordination, sir.
So in other words, yung pag bigay mo ng pera at yung nakuha mong basura, hindi totoo yun. Kumbaga, pag dalbas mo, nabaribil mo na agad yung tao.
Sir, pwedeng sa affidavit ko na lang, sir.
Hindi, tinatanong lang naman kita. Yes or no yun? Kasi you're trying to get our concurrence doon sa affidavit na babaguhin mo eh. So basically, you have to answer us back. Is it part nung tinatanong namin that hindi nangyari yung pagbili mo ng droga? Yes or no lang yun.
Yes, sir.
So hindi totoo yun.
Yes.
And even yung by baril si Brian, hindi totoo. Wala yung 38 di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. And even the car. Oo. So even the car, yung meron talagang red na car.
Meron po, sir.
Maroon, di ba? Meron na rin. Okay. So in other words, okay. Executive session pa rin ang hinihingi mo, Sergeant Macaraig. Are you going to stick with the executive session or are you going to tell us something?
Affidavit na lang po, Your Honor.
Affidavit na lang. And why, if I may ask? Meron ba diyang ibang masasabi ka na madadamay ng mga mas mataas sa'yo? Meron bang ganun?
Wala naman po siguro, Your Honor.
O wala? Siguro? Ha?
Wala naman po, Your Honor.
Hindi ka sigurado? Sergeant Macaraig?
Yes, sir.
So meron din pulang sasakyan?
Yes, sir.
At walang nangyaring buy bust? Yes or no? Walang nangyaring buy bust. So sino naglagay ng baril doon? Yung walang hammer?
Sir.
Sino naglagay ng barel na walang hammer? Sino naglagay ng barel doon sa bridge kasama yung shabu? Ikaw o si Michi? Si Michi. Okay, so members, with this new revelation, we would like to thank the efforts of the members and of course the cooperation of our PNP, the provincial director, regional director, and also the members of the police station. It saddened us lang, nakakalungkot lang that we have to reach this far. But of course, wala na. Siguro was also Colonel Lintang, yung chief of police, no? Para malaman natin kung kasi meron ka rin affidavit dito, Colonel. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, what do you plan to do? Are you going to stick with your affidavit?
Your Honor, ang basis lang na po ng affidavit ko, Your Honor, yung reports nila na dumating sa akin. Kasi wala naman po ako sa mismong actual na operation.
But you have the command responsibility.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Di ba? You relied on the veracity of the report of your people.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Chairman. Last na lang, Chairman. Just to remind the four, no? Yung apat, kanina, during executive session, that it is on record. But of course, under our rules, we should have at least 2/3 of votes. No? Then we will see your supplemental affidavit. If indeed, pwedeng committee mag-recommend sa inyo. No? But still, yung story nyo kanina, ayun na rin ang buo na story ni Chairman Acop at saka ni Chairman Dan Fernandez. Kaya we hope, and we'll see the affidavit, no, na execute nyo, and that includes Maraig and Perez, just in case. Now, PD, yun po, yung ano mo, yung IAS mo, will not anymore comply your IAS to submit that initial findings. Tapusin nyo na muna based on the affidavit nung 4 o 6 sila.
Yes, sir.
Kasi sa actual 6 lang naman talaga eh. But
Yes, sir.
still you have to submit the confidential agent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kasi pwedeng i-dagdag yan eh.
Yes, sir. Yes,
No?
sir.
Yung magiging statement ng confidential affidavit. Of course, kay Colonel, of course, your affidavit is based kamo on the report that's given to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
O it follows that if the affidavit of the 6 PNP personnel magbabago din yung affidavit mo. Ganun po ba?
Yes, sir. Kung ano po yung kakalabasan ng mga statement nila na gagawin.
And ikaw yung official eh. Dapat based din sa appreciation mo nung pangyari.
Wala kasi ako sa actual...
Hindi nga, wala ka nga. Pero, do you think pwede mo gamiting excuse to us? You're a colonel. Di ba? Ang sinasabi ko lang, na may bagong affidavit sila i-execute, then you will also have a new affidavit. Ganon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Not based on the affidavit of those 6. As per your knowledge, personal knowledge mo, di ba? Dapat? Tama, PD? Tama?
Yes, Your
PD?
Honor.
Hindi, ano yan? Happy lang.
Oh, city director na.
Sabi
Dati. CD. Okay, thank you, Chairman.
Okay. Okay. So before we end, we have...
Mr. Chair, pwede
sige, go ahead, Congressman Tebes.
tanong ko lang kay Makaraig sa kay Perez. Mag-i-execute kayo ngayon ng bagong affidavit, di ba tama? Kilig ka, Makaraig. Di ba sabi niyo mag-i-execute kayo ng bagong affidavit?
Yes, sir.
Dahil meron kayong ginawa ng una. At narinig ko rin sa sinabi ni Colonel na yung bagong affidavit ninyo na-execute yun na naman ang susundan ng bago niyang affidavit na gagawin. Ang tanong, tulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, tinatanong ko kanina din masagot. From the beginning, Mr. Chair, yung mga ginawa nilang affidavit ay puro kasinunggalingan. Dahil mag-isukit sila ng panibagong affidavit. Ibig sabihin, meron sa kanilang direktor na nagsabi na yung affidavit na ginawa natin nung una ay ito ang gagawin nyo. Ngayon, dahil natataranta na kayo, yung mga direktor nyo kung sino rito, dahil sa pelikula may direktor, may script, babaguhin nyo na. At kanya-kanya kayong gagawa ng sarili nyo na yun ang tama. Kaya ang tatanungin ko ngayon sa inyo, sino ba kahit hindi nyo na sabi ko sino yung pangalan, merong ba rito sa harap na ito ang nag-direct sa inyo na ito ang gawin nyong affidavit nung una? Dahil nga ang sabi nyo, babaguhin nyo na ngayon ang inyong affidavit. Yun lang sa dalawa. O Perez o Macaraig.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Bakit ka magbabago ng affidavit kung wala nagsabi sa iyo? Ibig sabihin, from the beginning, mali na yung gagawin sa iyo. Kahit magbago ka ng affidavit kung wala nagsabi sa iyo, ibig sabihin, palpak pa rin o mali pa rin yung gagawin mo dahil nagsisunod ng umpisa. Ikaw, Perez, meron ba sa'yo nagsabi rito?
Wala po, sir.
O bakit ka magbabago? Kung sa umpisa pa lang, sabi mo, yung ginawa nyo affidavit sarili nyong puso, sarili nyong pag-iisip, dahil may mga isip naman kayo, kaya hindi kayo naging pulis, kaya nga napaging pulis kayo, puwasa kayo sa Euro. Ibig sabihin, yung ginawa nyo affidavit nung una, ayun ang nakita nyo nga aktual na nangyari. Ngayon, ang tanong dyan, gagawa kayo ng panibagong affidavit, ibig sabihin, dahil nakikita nyo ngayon, naisip-isip nyo, na mali yung inyong mga ginawang affidavit nung una. Ang tanong kayo, ulit-ulitin ko sa inyo, sino ang nagturo sa inyo rito sa harapan na ito nung unang affidavit na ginawa ninyo? Dahil itong apat na kausap natin, hindi ko na sasabihin kung anong sinabi, na meron nga rito nilagay, hindi naman pala kasama. O ngayon, ang tanong dyan is, sino ba ang nag-orchestrate niyan na ito, sabihin natin na ito ang gawin natin, para iisa lang ang ating affidavit o salaysay na gagawin during sa investigasyon nito. Meron yan. Hindi po pwedeng wala Kasi kung wala sa inyong nagsabi man lang na kahit isa, sigurado yung pa rin ang paninindigan nyo. Ba't kayo magbabago? Yun lang po, Mr. Chair. Sabi nila wala. Pero nalaman ko meron.
Okay. Thank you so much, Congressman Terence.